not far from people.
Even if I had a build a shelter. I tell you,
Redo.
I want to take 2 weeks off work.
Redo.
Oh my god, I gotta get in on this. Why'd you set the hook?
And then you wait.
Why'd you set the hook?
Here's my setup, guys, the hammock underneath all the tarps. Just in case it ends up raining again tonight.
What should I put on this thing?
Well, it's up to you. We definitely have a lot of bullheads, so if you want me to help you out with that, I will.
Show me how to hold them, I can probably figure it out.
Alright.
What are you fishing for that rod? Just about pretty much anything.
Flatheads, probably. Can't imagine.
Do they go for more like scrap stuff or?
No, I mean, they like live baits, like bullheads or sunfish or something.
Okay.
But sometimes cut bait works better than other things. So I mean, I don't know. It's up to you.
Okay.
I think you'll have less of a chance of a turtle if you use a bullhead.
I want whatever will give me the best chance to catch something.
I'd say try bullhead.
All right.
Yep. Frickin' storming out. I don't know if this is a fish or a turtle, but I think it's a big fish. Catching big fish in a storm. What is that? Can't see anything. It's a big flathead. Nice.
Incher.
38?
38.
Oh, yeah.
Not a bad fish.
Let him sit there for a second.
I suck at fishing.
Hold them out like this. I'm gonna send you all these pictures too. All right. Fuck yeah,
Oh
dude.
boy.
That's awesome though.
That is.
That's really cool.
Hell yeah.
Got one. This thing's nasty. That's like the biggest size fucking channel cat I've caught. Like, you know what I mean? What do I do? Put it back?
Just set him right
Yeah, you can just set him down and he'll take off pretty quick.
What the fuck was that noise?
I heard a girl talking and it wasn't you.
Oh, it was Siri. Oh, the I got reception. Just let him know where I got it.
That's cool.